Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is Boolean. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos, you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. This is the fifth topic in data types and type conversion. Boolean data type is used to store only two values, that is, true and false. In Python, first letter of true and false must be in uppercase. Data type conversion. To convert any type of value to Boolean type, we can use bool function. Generally, true is equal to 1, false is equal to 0. But in Python, any value which is not empty is true and any empty value is false. Let's see different values when passed to bool function returning false. Bool function without any argument will return false. None type when passed to bool function will return false. Similarly, an integer 0, a float type value 0.0, an empty string, a complex type value 0j, an empty list, empty tuple, empty dictionary, and empty set. All these values when passed to bool function will return false. Let's see different values when passed to bool function returning true. Any integer type other than 0, for example 1, 5, minus 3, will return true. Any float type value other than 0.0, for example 1.2, minus 2.5, 0.4, will be converted to true. Any string with some value will return true. A string having single space will also be converted to true. Any complex type value other than 0j will return true. For example, 1 plus 2j, 3 plus 5j, etc. Similarly, any list, any tuple, any dictionary, and any set with some value will return true. Let's create a variable with value as true. Type of x is bool. Creating variable with value as false. Type of x is bool. Bool function without any argument will return false. I am converting a none to Boolean. Output is false. Converting an integer to Boolean. Result is true. Let's take another example. And the output is true. Let's take the value as 0. And the output is false. Let's convert a float value to Boolean. Output is true. Converting a float value 0.0. The result will be false. Converting a string value to Boolean. Output will be true. Converting an empty string will always be false. Even a string with a single space is true. Converting the complex number with any value other than 0j will be true. Converting complex number 0j will be false. Converting a list with some value to Boolean, the result will be true. Converting an empty list to Boolean, the result will be false. Converting a tuple with some value to Boolean, output will be true. Converting an empty tuple to Boolean will result false. Let's create a dictionary variable. Converting the dictionary variable to Boolean, the result is true. Converting an empty dictionary to Boolean, result is false. Let's create a set variable. Converting to Boolean, result is true. Converting an empty set to Boolean, result is false. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.